Imagine waking up in a cozy European cottage and by evening relaxing in an African themed villa, all inside the same resort. Welcome to tropical village Mysore, a destination that brings global cultures, natural beauty, and peaceful village life together in one stunning property. Spread across lush greenery, every corner of this resort tells a different story. From Asian-inspired Zen spaces to modern African cabins and traditional Mangala villas. And during your stay, you will even have a dedicated guide who takes you on a peaceful morning nature walk, showing you around the property, sharing stories, and explaining the history and unique elements of the resort. It's a beautiful way to start your day connected with nature.
Welcome to our tropical villages, sandalwood farming. Here we have various kinds of Srigandha, that is called sandalwood in English. And then we have various kinds of chicus and then guavas are there. In the morning around 6 o'clock to 6:30, the peacocks will come. Because here we have Srigandha, for that to watch so many types of peacocks and then this kind of birds will come to this. Will come to inside the property also.
Now, let me take you through a complete walkthrough of all the room categories at Tropical Village Resort. Each cottage here follows a unique world theme: Asian, European, African, American, and then Mangala villas add a traditional Kerala touch. So depending on what kind of travelers you are, there is a perfect village waiting for you. Now, we move to the resort signature villas, starting with Mangala Kutira, a traditional, spacious and full of charm. This village brings a beautiful blend of traditional charm and modern comfort. The design includes wooden touches, culture decor, and a warm, earthy color palette. The room is more spacious than the themed cottage, making it perfect for travelers who want roominess and a bit of luxury. Large verandas, greenery around the cottage, and a peaceful surroundings make it a perfect space for families and couples. Also, this villa offers more privacy, bigger interiors, better garden views, a peaceful and homely traditional ambience as well. So it's great for guests who want something more premium and culturally rich. Next is the American cottage, the most modern and slightly more spacious option in the themed cottage. Inspired by American suburban style homes, this cottage offers a clean, contemporary layout, more open space, and a brighter interior as well. The room feels airy and well ventilated. The decor is minimalistic but modern, with sofa seating, smart lighting, and overall premium home style setup. The bathrooms are well designed and give you a luxurious feel with modern fittings. This is ideal for travelers who prefer a simple, modern, and comfortable stay while still being surrounded by nature. Think of it as a perfect blend of American comfort with village calmness. Now, this one truly stands out. That's African cottage. If you love themed environments and earthy aesthetics, this cottage gives you a unique, immersive experience. The decor uses rich wooden touch, deeper warm colors, rustic textures, and Africa-inspired patterns. The lighting is softer, giving the room off a warm, cozy feel, almost like you are in a safari lodge but with complete luxury. This cottage is perfect for people who love artistic interiors, earthy tones, nature-connected themes, a break from typical resort rooms. Next, we move on to the Asian cottage, a peaceful, elegant, and culturally inspired space. Unlike the African cottage, this one follows a cleaner, minimalistic theme with Asian design influences like calm colors, cultural artwork, and soft, warm lighting. The ambience is Zen-inspired, making the room feel extremely calming the moment when you enter. The room layout is simple and clutter-free, giving you mental space to relax. The bathrooms are neat and thoughtfully designed, following the same minimal philosophy. So it's perfect for couples, solo travelers, people who like silence, calmness. It's a stay that helps you slow down, breathe, and enjoy the surroundings without any distractions. Welcome to the European cottage, one of the most charming and pleasing stay inside the resort. The moment when you step in, you will notice the warm, pastel interior tones, soft lighting, and a clean, classy decor style inspired by the European country homes. The cottage gives a very cozy and homely vibe, but with luxury touches. A plush king-size bed, wooden furniture, elegant curtains, and a modern amenities neatly integrated without breaking the vintage feel. Large windows open up to the greenery outside, so your mornings start with natural sunlight and bird song. The ambience is relaxing, perfect for couples, honeymooners, or anyone who wants a peaceful European countryside style getaway. This space is all about comfort, quietness, and slow mornings with greenery all around. One of the highlights of Tropical Village Resort is the range of amenities designed to keep you refreshed, active, and entertained throughout your stay. The swimming pool sits beautifully surrounded by greenery, giving you a calm and refreshing atmosphere for a dip, whether you want to start your morning with a swim or unwind in the evening. And then there is Alayam, the spiritual heart of Tropical Village. This peaceful space is designed especially for meditation, reflection, and inner healing. The moment you step inside, the ambience completely shifts. The soft lighting, natural materials, and calming silence immediately slow down your thoughts. Whether you join a guided meditation or simply sit here quietly on your own, the space naturally helps you unwind, breathe deeper, and reconnect with yourself. For those who love exploring the outdoors, the resort offers cycling facilities, allowing you to ride around the vast property at your own pace. The fresh air, greenery, and peaceful surroundings make it an ideal way to soak in the natural beauty of the place. Overall, the amenities are thoughtfully planned to give you a balance of relaxation and recreation, making sure your stay remains engaging from morning to night.